What's up? Today I'm using my Marksman rifle. It shoots 500 FPS, so I'm trying to hang back a bit so that I don't hurt anybody. I've posted links to all of my gear in the description below, so that if you're interested, you could check that out. Enjoy. Oh, nutshot incoming.
In the plums!
I'm actually using 0.28 gram BBs, which is a bit lighter than I should be for this setup. If I continue to use it, I might invest in some 4.0s. That one got him. Holy fuck, dude. Sorry, bro. Sorry, I know I hit you in the neck. Sorry. This game is myself and 3 other experienced players against roughly 10 newer players. We are stuck to 1 life each, and the enemy team has unlimited respawns.
Bang, bang.
Bang, bang.
Me, Joe, and Mac.
Shut up. I'm moving out.
Watch it in front of our building, I think.
I know.
Bang, bang. Got him. Hey, go down.
Bang, bang. Sorry, dude. Good shit.
Alright.
Tell me I'm recording first. You good?
Yes. Alright. So we're going this way, this way, this way, this way.
Oh, we're going in order. We can't just throw it to whoever. This feels like a Mario Party game.
Last time it was him, then you.
It does.
So it might blow up for me this time. Like I gotta try to catch it anyway. I feel sad that got like copyrighted.
Alright.
I know.
Alright. Here we go.
Oh God. That was loud as shit.
You good?
I wish that he caught it.
Yeah, I
I know. This is a bad idea, dude.
this is. Alright, here we go.
You're like 3 seconds.
Oh shit. Oh shit. I almost just.
3 seconds.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. I post videos every Friday, so if you enjoyed the gameplay, subscribe and you'll get them. Thank you.